Today I am going to be quarantining because I love a good play on words and because it's May and summer is here and it's time to put a little color on my skin. So I'm going to be reviewing the NuSkin Sunlight Instaglow Tinted Self-Tanning Gel. This is what it looks like. I'm going to put this on and show you the bronze tan that it gives you. And I actually laid out the other day in a tank top so you can see I kind of have some tan lines going on and we're going to clear those up as well. So with this, you can use it on your face as well as your body. I'm just going to do my upper body for now for the video. I'll do, say, this much just for my face. And you can actually mix it with a moisturizer too, or sunscreen. A lot of times I mix it with my sunscreen and I put this on at the same time. So you want to make sure you get it all around and make it even. And it also, this Instaglow, it builds on itself. So if you were to use it like a few times throughout the week, it would actually build on itself and your tan would get a little bit darker. So it's only gonna be like a little bit. So if you don't want like a really dark tan, don't use it as often. If you want a darker tan, then you would want to use it, you know, more times throughout the week. I do love it though. You can already see my face is already a little bit darker. It delivers like an instant tan. And within 30 minutes, you'll really see it. So put a little bit more on, spread that around. And it goes on so easy. It just goes on like lotion. It's really nice. It doesn't smell, like it doesn't have a really strong smell. I've used ones in the past where like I could not even stand it after 30 minutes, and this actually smells pretty nice. It spreads smoothly, as you can see. It goes on really nice and easy, and you can already see it's not staining my hands. It really doesn't. That's another thing that I've used. Other ones I've used in the past, my hands were orange for like 2 days. And not only does it not stain your hands, it doesn't actually make you orange. So it actually works with the melanin in your own skin. And so it's gonna give you the best color for you and not just like a blanket color. So there we go. And that's it. That's how easy it is to get a quarantine. Okay, we're back and it's day number 2. And I'm going to put on another layer of the NuSkin Instaglow Sunless Tan Lotion. As I mentioned in my other video, it does build on itself. So you can already see that my tan lines I had from yesterday have already faded quite a bit. But I do want to be maybe just a little bit darker. So I'm gonna go ahead and do another round of this. So you can get a really good idea of how good it is. And the other thing about this is that it dries so fast. Like really by the time I'm done with this video, it's already gonna be dry on my skin, which is amazing and it's so nice. And like I said in day 1, it does not leave you with a weird smell. It doesn't turn you orange, as you can see. I'm not turning orange. It really is just giving me a bronze color for my skin. So you don't have to be afraid to do your face. Don't have to be afraid to do like the parts of your body that people are gonna see, because it does actually look really good. I mean, that's pretty much it. You can see how quickly that went on, and again, after 30 minutes, it will have set and it will be an instant tan. So yeah, if you're interested in learning more about the NuSkin tanning lotion, just let me know, leave a comment below. I'll also leave a link to where you can purchase it. And have a great summer, you guys, and don't forget to quarantine.